Hello everyone and welcome back to English Class. Today I come with this tricky math question 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. Try to solve by your own to feature in our shortout list by commenting your answer. Whatever your answer will be, I will give you shortout. So what we have here 2 minus 2 which equals to 0 times 2 minus 2 which equals to 0, and 0 times 0 it will be 0 as answer. So is this the right way? No, this is the wrong way. We will follow here the PEMDAS. So here actually two operations are there, but that is subtraction and multiplication. And here PEMDAS we have to do first priority to multiplication, and at the last we give subtraction priority. So we will write our question again: 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. So as we know, first reference will be given to multiplication, so we will operate this operation first. 2 times 2, that equals to 4. So we will write our question again: 2 minus sign, and here 4 minus 2. Now in simple math operation we will write minus 4 plus 2. We will take minus as common and we will write like this. Okay. Now again what we will do, 4 plus 2 we will get minus 6, and the next step 2 minus 6 which equals to minus 4. So here minus 4 is the right answer. And if you are senior, then must check out our best product list for seniors in the description, and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.